You're listening to LeadAI.dev, Claude Mythos leak, implications for AI development and cybersecurity. The accidental leak of Claude Mythos unveils Anthropic's unreleased AI model, raising cybersecurity concerns for developers and businesses alike. What shipped? According to LeadAI.dev, the leak of Claude Mythos, an unreleased AI model from Anthropic, has surfaced details about its advanced capabilities. This model reportedly includes features such as a 300K context window, significantly expanding the input data it can process compared to its predecessors. Furthermore, the API endpoints are expected to integrate seamlessly with existing frameworks, allowing developers to adopt this model without extensive overhaul. Notably, the anticipated pricing remains competitive at $2.50 per million tokens, making it an attractive option for large-scale applications. Moreover, Claude Mythos is rumored to incorporate enhanced safety features aimed at reducing the risk of generating harmful content. These safety features are essential in light of increasing scrutiny regarding AI ethics and responsible use. The technical specifications suggest that this model can handle up to 100 concurrent API calls, making it suitable for high-demand applications. 300K context window, up from 200K in previous models. $2.50 per million tokens pricing structure. Why this matters. This leak has implications for developers working in teams of varying sizes, particularly those managing projects with budgets exceeding $10,000 monthly. For instance, teams executing over 1,000 API calls per day could see operational efficiencies improved by up to 30% through the use of Claude Mythos. Compared to older models that required manual adjustments for context length and safety protocols, the new model automates these processes, resulting in reduced overhead for developers focused on rapid deployment. However, the introduction of advanced capabilities is not without its trade-offs. The cybersecurity risks associated with Claude Mythos raise questions about data handling and model integrity. Developers must weigh these risks against the productivity gains, particularly in sensitive applications like finance or healthcare where data breaches could have catastrophic consequences. Teams managing 1,000 API calls/day could see a 30% efficiency boost. Risk of data breaches increases with advanced model capabilities. How to take advantage. If you're using Claude 3 or similar models for your applications, here's what to do. First, ensure that your existing infrastructure supports the new API endpoints introduced with Claude Mythos. Begin by updating your Anthropic SDK to the latest version to accommodate the new features. This should be done within the next 30 days to take full advantage of the improvements before your next project cycle begins. Then, adjust your API calls to utilize the 300K context window, enhancing the model's performance for complex queries. Additionally, consider implementing additional security measures alongside the use of Claude Mythos, such as encrypted data handling and regular audits. This will mitigate potential cybersecurity risks and align with best practices in AI deployment. Update Anthropic SDK to the latest version within 30 days. Adjust API calls to utilize the 300K context window. What to watch. As the Claude Mythos model begins to circulate, developers should closely monitor potential cybersecurity vulnerabilities. The model's advanced capabilities could attract malicious actors seeking to exploit its features. It's crucial to stay updated on any patches or security updates released by Anthropic to address these concerns. Furthermore, a broader rollout is anticipated within the next 6 months, so developers should prepare for an influx of users and the associated challenges that come with scaling the use of such a powerful model. Additionally, be vigilant about community feedback regarding safety features and performance. Engaging with developer forums may provide insights into best practices as users begin to share their experiences with Claude Mythos. Thank you for listening, leadai.dev. Monitor cybersecurity updates and patches from Anthropic. Prepare for a broader rollout in the next 6 months. Key takeaways. Teams using Claude 3 can enhance performance by migrating to Claude Mythos for better context handling. The increased context window allows for more complex queries without sacrificing response quality. Security protocols must evolve alongside the deployment of advanced AI models to protect sensitive data. Market signals. Increased demand for security in AI. The leak emphasizes the need for robust security measures in AI development. What to do next? If your team is spending $10,000 a month on APIs, evaluate the switch to Claude Mythos this quarter. If you're using a legacy model with limited context, plan to migrate to Claude Mythos before the next release cycle. If current security measures are not in place, prioritize implementing encryption protocols immediately. This has been leadai.dev. Stay building.